Hi everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you create a custom location on Instagram. Actually, Instagram does not provide the option to create a custom location, but how we can achieve this is we can create a custom location on Facebook. So through Facebook we will be able to create a custom location. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open your Facebook app. So once you open your Facebook app, then just do a check-in. So whatever you're going to do, whatever on your, as if you're doing your check-in, so create check-in. So go to check-in. So now here what you can do is type in whatever location that you want to create, or you want to say whatever you want to put in, just anything. All right, so once you've typed that, so what you can do, if you scroll down all the way down, you will see an option there to add whatever that you just typed. So click on that. So if you click on that, here you just have to name the place. So here we are creating the place, and then put all this option, or if you can fill all these options here if you want, and then what you have to do is click on save custom place. So now we have already created the location, so you can now post this on your Facebook as well as your Instagram as it's linked, and this location is now available for you to use. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.